go again with James McBride. He has become one of my favorite authors, the good Lord Bird. Oh my goodness. This is historical fiction, and I will be linking to some other articles that I found on the main character of this book. So here we go. This book is narrated by young Henry, which is called Little Onion Shackleford, a black slave mistaken for a girl by abolitionist John Brown. And I found more information on John Brown. It was just phenomenal. So the good Lord Bird, in James McBride's legendary way of being a writer, marries humor and his history during the violent conflict over slavery in the 1850s Kansas. Mistaken identity and a gifted onion sets Henry on a bizarre, and I mean a bizarre, treacherous journey alongside John's zealot followers toward the Harper's Ferry raid. Along the way, Henry encounters figures like Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass, all while wrestling with his own identity amid chaos and faith. So, Henry did not deliberately want to be a girl. It was by happenstance, and I'm not gonna spoil it on how it happened. But he tried several times to reveal his true self, and every time it always something happened. So this was, like I said, a true James McBride fashion. He delivers a razor-sharp portrait of America on the brink with heart and humor in equal measure. Henry's voice, mischief, and survival instincts drive the narrative, while John Brown emerges as a tragicomic zealot. The blend of satire and historical insight is Shakespearean in ambition. You laugh, you gasp, and then you remember how deeply human it all feels. Winning the National Book Award was more than deserved. This novel reshapes how we remember abolition. I have to say, like I said earlier, James McBride did it again. He is a phenomenal writer. I have enjoyed every book that he has written. I enjoyed Heaven and Earth Grocery Store. I enjoyed the Deacon King Kong, which I will link to, and even The Good Lord Bird. And then I found this 5 Carat Soul by him. Now, I read that book, and I don't know if I'm going to do a review on it, but I will say it was good. It was good. And the reason I'm not sure if I'm going to do a review on it, because it was different types of stories in it. It wasn't just one complete story. But back to this one, The Good Lord Bird. It was phenomenal. And I just love how he brings history into the forefront of his books. It's great. It is wonderful. So here are my final thoughts. The Good Lord Bird is a genre-defying masterpiece. Hilarious, heartbreaking, and utterly unforgettable. It is a perfect pick for book clubs, especially those interested in Black history, satire, or moral complexity. You will laugh through the tears and think about how these stories shape who we are as a people. So if you want to read this book, it is 384 pages. It is 15 hours long. I probably would be purchasing this book. Yes. 5 out of 5. 6 out of 5, actually. It was good. It was good. I truly, truly enjoyed reading about reading about John Brown. I had heard about him, but this book brought a new light to him. Not saying it is true, because like I said, this is historical fiction, but it is a good book. Bye.